Hello students, in this video we'll be learning some additional polynomial identities which we have not done in the previous video. The link to that video, which covers 8 polynomial identities which are normally covered in the class 9 syllabus, the link for that video will be provided in the description below. Now we will learn about 3 more identities. Okay, let's see what are they. So the first one is a cube plus b cube. We have learnt about a plus b the whole cube. This is a cube plus b cube, which is given as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The second one is a cube minus b cube, which is given as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And the final one is given as a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Fine. So we'll see how we get these 3 identities, but these 3 identities are what we should know, and they're also useful in class 10 as well. So let's begin with proving the first one, that is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So in this case what we do is we take the right hand side, and the right hand side is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now what we need to do is open the bracket. For that we'll multiply a into this entire bracket and followed by b into this entire bracket. So write it over here, a into a square minus ab plus b square followed by plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now we open the bracket. A into a square is a cube, a into minus ab is minus a square b, and a into plus b square is plus ab square followed by plus b into a square can be written as plus a square b, plus b into minus ab can be written as minus a b square, and plus b into plus b gives us plus b cube. Our next step is to see if we can cancel out something, and if you have a look, there is minus a square b and plus a square b which cancels out. So we cancel them out and we see what we are left with, a cube. Okay, and there is another thing we can cancel out over here, that is plus ab square and minus ab square. So we cancel them out as well rather than take them to the next step. So we are left with a cube and plus b cube, which is equal to our left hand side, hence proved. Right? So that is our first additional identity that we learned, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Let's move on to the next identity. The next identity we need to prove is this is the second one, is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Once again we take the right hand side, which is equal to a square plus ab plus b square, into a minus b. So once again a will multiply into this entire bracket followed by minus b into this entire bracket. We get a into a square plus ab plus b square followed by minus b this time into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we open the bracket. A into a square gives us a cube, a into plus ab gives us plus a square b, a into plus b square gives us plus ab square followed by minus b into a square gives us minus a square b, minus b into plus AB gives us minus AB square, and minus B into minus B square will give minus B cube. Now we see which are the terms that can be cancelled out. We have plus A square B and minus A square C. So these two cancel out, followed by plus AB square and minus AB square, both cancel out, and we are left with A cube minus B cube, which is equal to left hand side. Hence proved. Okay, so we have proven our next identity, second identity, that is A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. And we'll move on to the final identity. So final identity says A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So if we take A plus B plus C equal to 0, we can write A plus B is equal to minus C. Let's take this as 1. Okay. Now the next thing that we need to do is cube 1 on both sides. And what do we get? A plus B whole cube equal to minus C whole cube. A plus B whole cube, we use the identity, we get A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square equal to minus C whole cube gives us minus C cube. Okay. Now next thing we'll do is we'll take these terms common. We can take AB common, 3AB common between the two. So we will keep this A cube plus B cube this way, and between these terms we will take 3AB common. So if we take 3AB common from here, we are left with just A. Okay, and if we take 3AB common from this one, we are left with just B. Okay, equal to minus C cube. But we know that from 1 we know that A plus B is equal to minus C. So we can write A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into minus C equal to minus C cube. You can say right over here from 1. Okay. So this will become then A cube plus B cube minus 3ABC equal to minus C cube. Okay. Now what I do is I'll bring minus C cube here, and minus 3ABC I'll bring on the right hand side. Okay. So I get 3A cube plus B cube plus C cube, because minus C when it comes on the left hand side it becomes plus, and minus 3ABC when it goes on the right hand side it also becomes plus. Fine. So you can say hence proved. Okay. So with this we end up proving all three identities, the final one being A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. If you have liked the video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click the bell icon to be notified whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.